Today, Irune and mommy is cleaning outdoor washroom and the shower room. She volunteered to clean all this because she wants to prepare this as her house and the dollhouse. Irune, say hello.
Hello.
I love this girl. She's taking care of the furniture by protecting with the plastic covers. She put my yoga mat inside. Good job, Irune, well done. You are sweeping the floor and now you are covering the furniture with a plastic bag. You are really amazing. You are really responsible. Yes.
You see, I'm tidy about the chair.
Yes, I saw it. I'm so touched. 내가 좀 이따 피크닉 나올 때 내가 깜짝 놀랄 거라고? 너무 깨끗해서?
엄마가 아빠랑 나 잘했어. 엄마 스티커 하나 줘야겠어?
알았어, 내가 스티커 하나 줄게. 깨끗하게 여기 관리해줘서 고마워.